The Kampala Capital Cities Authority City Hall Court has remanded Assistant Superintendent of Police Clive Nsiima to Luzira Prison on charges of assault and malicious damage to property. Nsiima, a resident of Kyanja in Nakawa Division and a police officer under the Counter-Terrorism Directorate in the Oil and Gas Protection Unit, appeared before Senior Principal Grade 1 Magistrate Nicholas Aisu, who presides over the City Hall Court. The police officer's troubles began after a CCTV video circulated widely on social media, showing him assaulting a female supermarket attendant at Shell Kyanja petrol station. The incident allegedly occurred after Nsiima refused to pay a 30,000 shillings bill for items that he had purchased.
Have you ever driven such a car? You will not pay it. You will fucking send it to the ground. You now she's there attacking me, beating me over 30,000. Even if it's 100,000, how much money have I spent you? Do you think I can run away with 100,000?
In the viral video, a man in civilian clothes, later identified as Nsiima, is seen slapping a supermarket attendant twice and boasting about his social status, asking her whether she had ever driven such a car and mocking her for thinking he could run away with just 100,000 shillings. Following public outrage, Nsiima was arrested and held in police custody before being arraigned in court.
You know, I can slap in this camera here and you see me, and tomorrow we go to court. You took it. And you are wrong, stupid. Manyoko.
He was charged with 2 counts of assault, occasioning bodily harm under Section 219 of the Penal Code Act, and malicious damage to property under Section 312. Prosecution told court that on October 7, 2025, at Shell Kyanja, Nsiima unlawfully assaulted Pelan Atuhumurize, causing her bodily harm and willfully damaging her Infinix Hot 10 smartphone. Nsiima pleaded not guilty to both charges. The prosecution, led by State Attorney Mercy Yamangusho, informed court that the investigations were complete and requested a full hearing date. Through his lawyer, Hamza Kiamanywa, Nsiima applied for bail, saying that he had since reconciled with the complainant. His legal team presented 3 sureties: Daniel Mushabe Katanyomba, an employee of the Internal Security Organization, his brother Maki Gumira from Charlie Wajala, and Cynthia Nkwanzi of the Nakawa Division. However, the prosecution objected the bail application, arguing that the defense had not properly introduced the sureties' occupations and noting they appeared younger than the accused, making it difficult to ensure that he would return to court. Yamangusho further argued that as a police officer, Nsiima was expected to uphold the law, not to break it. She said it was especially shameful that a police officer would assault a woman, the very people he was sworn to protect. The prosecutor emphasized that the case had attracted massive public attention and that granting him bail would send the wrong signal, describing Nsiima's actions as impunity of the highest order. In response, Nsiima's lawyer insisted that reconciliation had already taken place and reminded the court that the accused remained innocent until proven guilty. He also dismissed the claims of public bitterness as unfounded. After hearing both sides, Magistrate Nicholas Aisu remanded ASP Nsiima to Luzira Prison until October 16, 2025, when the court is expected to rule on his bail application. Records before court show that Nsiima was dismissed from the police force over the weekend following the incident. Reporting from Kampala, Judith Kukunda, Uganda Radio Network.